Okay, I haven't said much earlier because I'm going to speed all that up anyway, so you won't hear anything. This is going to be a bit of a cook on this Petromax Dutch oven. How versatile it is. So this is your main Dutch part. This is the lid, which can act as a plate. So what I'm going to do now is just transfer some of the vegetables to that. Bear with me. Like so, and then we've also got the parsnippers. There we go. So I'm going to take that off. Put that on. I'm going to drop a bit of oil in here, and then I'm going to get it nice and hot, and then we're going to brown off the onions and that beautiful steak you saw me cut up. Okay. Okay, I was going to cook outside, but it's pouring down, and oops, I don't want to get wet. Right, let's so. And we're at the coast. Okay, it's going great. All right, let that warm up. Okay, you let that cook them nice brown off and caramelise the onions, and I'm going to cook it with a Jalfrezi sauce, of course. I'm going to use this. A bit different, okay. Just pop a little bit of water in the bottom. I'm going to put a little bit more in. For the simple reason is I'm going to add some pearl barley as well. I love pearl barley. One of my all-time favourites, which you know is herbs of Provence. I mean, once you put the Jalfrezi in, you probably won't taste any of this, but we'll see. I love that. It smells beautiful when it's cooking. Add the Jalfrezi, whatever you say it, whatever you say it. Put it on the lid, nice strong stuff. There we go. Stir that in, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the lid on this. I'll just transfer all the veg into another bowl. I'm going to put the lid on this, and I'm going to let it simmer at very low heat for probably about an hour. If I was outside on the... I know it's disappointing, sorry Ian. But if I was outside, I would be just leaving this for about an hour and a half just to cook on an open fire or barbecue, whatever you want to do. Right, look at that. Actually, I might leave it a quarter of an hour and put the veg in. I'm making it so as we go along, and that's what you do when you're a professional chef. There's a steam vent there, you can see that little tiny one there and one there. If you want to put that in, line it up. I'm not going to line it up for it. I want it to keep the steam in so it doesn't dry out. Alright, so I'm leaving that now for half an hour. Come back in half an hour. Okie, it's simmering away beautifully. Let's just be careful because it is hot. See all that? Yeah. Press that on a bit of paper. Now I'm going to add the veg. I'm going to leave the potatoes whole, but I'm going to leave it for some time. There we go. I'll come back in a second because I'm not finished yet. Can't get much more in there. Right, give me a stir. I'm going to bury the veg, especially the potatoes, right down. Oh yes. I will not be eating this tonight. I'll have a little bit probably, but not. I'm not going to eat. No. I'll take it home and share it with all the kids, I suppose. All the grandkids, they'll love it. See the pearl barley that's coming on? Look at that. Making all that veg submerged. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be leaving that for about at least an hour now. Just let it simmer away on its own. I'm going to go for a walk. Right. So I've just lined up the lid with the vent hole, just to let some, because it was starting to bubble and come over the sides. You can see just down there a little bit of spillage. There we go, just down there. You can see that. So that relieves a bit of pressure then, so that's good. Right, we shall have a little peek. Right. I just spilled something, never mind. Gonna get the knife and pot of potato. Not far off. Yep, not far off. We're getting there. Another 15-20 minutes and we're done. Lid back on, line it up. Okay, time for reveal and a bit of a dish up, I think. It's been quite a while. Oh, look at the pearl barley, look at that. That's risen beautifully. Oh, come on, you can't afford to look at that. Right, let's get a bit on the plate. Let's see what we're looking at, okay? Don't go too mad on a couple of spuds. We've got some parsnips, carrots, a bit more beef. Ooh, look at, ooh, I'm having that, spoiling myself here. Plenty of beef left. I'm got a big juicy carrot and another big juicy carrot. Oh, beautiful, look at this. It's just sort of like coming towards the end of the, you can see the bottom. Right, heat off. What do you reckon? Oh, I'm going to have another piece, a couple of pieces of parsnip. I'm hungry. Another spud, small one. That's it. Okay. Put that there. You have to use the grippers for the lid because it is hot. Okay. There we go. Let's go for it. Okay. It looks good. Right. Try a bit of beef. Tender. Very tender. Hot. Oh. Carrot. Actually, the Jalfrezi is not overpowering. A little bit hot, but not bad at all. Right, brilliant. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. If you enjoy cooking ones, I'll keep doing them. You keep liking them. And we'll catch you in the next one. All the best, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. All the best.